Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. We're at CES 2018 and we're in the GoPro booth, and we've got their really fantastic new product, the Fusion, here in front of us. It's a 360 degree camera. It shoots at 18 megapixels. It'll do 5.2K at 30 frames a second, which is really cool. It does have image stabilization built in as well, and it's water resistant up to 16 feet, and it's got 360 degree recording of volume as well, so you're getting that full 360 experience. It also has GPS built in, so you can keep track of where you've been and where you've shot your videos. It's a really cool product here by GoPro. Very innovative. It's got a pretty unique design. It's pretty slim form factor. Looks like there's some accessories that you can get with it as well. And so that's the Fusion from GoPro. Make sure you guys check it out. We're going to be carrying it at abt.com, but we're here at CES 2018 right now, checking it out in Las Vegas. Make sure you guys stay tuned because we're going to be posting some more great videos from Las Vegas here coming up.